we are going to continue shopping. It is all about beauty this month here at the Shopping Channel. And this is Beauty Month, so we are going to continue shopping. And we are going to take you now. Well, ladies, I have to say, the older I get, the harder I have time seeing. Do you want to switch sides? Is that what you want? Okay. All right. This is where we're going first. Okay. So we are going to start off with the Daniela Double Diamond Round Mirror with the bonus mirror coming to you today. $40. Now, you are getting 10 times magnification on one side and your true image on the other, plus the bonus of the mini mirror. Here to tell us more about it, she is a beauty expert here, and we're so happy to have Heather Hodgson here. Good to see you.
Hello, nice to see you.
I had my toes done, by the way.
Did you? I have had my toes done, too.
Yeah, okay.
We'll talk
We're going to
about
get
that later.
Those. We're going to get to those. But
start with the mirrors.
Let's start with the mirror.
Start with the mirrors.
I'm getting blind now. I don't know what's happening, but you get over 40 and all of a sudden the eyes go.
Like that. I have a girlfriend. She does her, when she does her eye makeup, she will put her glasses on. She'll do an eye, glasses off, look in the mirror. Glass on, check, just like that.
Oh my goodness.
The magnifying mirror eliminates this problem. Now this mirror is spectacular on its own. It's so
pretty.
gorgeous. It has this beautiful chrome finishing, spectacular double diamond pedestal. If it did nothing else, it's perfect.
Okay.
But it does magnify. As you mentioned, it has the true magnification on one side. You flip to the other, and you get the studio
upside down.
10 times. That is the sign, actually, of true magnification. If the image is upside down from a distance, you know that you have a perfectly curved mirror. And Danielle mirrors they're quality mirrors.
Okay.
What makes it a quality mirror is the detail they put into the science of it, because magnification is a science. It's based on physics, and it's all about a curve. So the glass here is curved, which gives you your magnification. So if you perfectly curve the glass, then you're going to have a precise image, which is going to give you an authentic, crisp image.
Well, that's what we want when we are tweezing our eyebrows.
Absolutely.
Trying to find those stray hairs. I also like how pretty it is with this little diamond shape.
This
is
is
very
so
girly.
gorgeous.
So leave it out on your vanity or your countertop.
You could have this sitting by the front door because it's portable, so you can take it to the natural light. Because you always want to see what your makeup looks like in natural light.
Okay.
That's what magnification is beautiful for.
And it's coming with the little bonus. You get the little travel size. So, you know, ladies, take it to your desk at work. Or
this is perfect for the desk at work. If you have a last-minute meeting with your boss or you have a client coming in, excellent.
The Danielle Double Diamond Round Mirror with the bonus today is 461017.